Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be learning about HTML links. So we can use HTML links to link a file internally or externally. So with HTML links, we can link our website to any other external website. So let's see how this is done. In a HTML link, there are three parts. One is the A element. This element is used to define the link. Next is the href attribute. The href attribute is used to define the link address or the address of the website we want it to go to. In the URL area, the URL is specified. And here, the third part is the link text. In the link text is the text that is visible to the reader. So whenever we click on the link text, it takes us to the specified website. So now, let's try this out. So over here, I want to link this to another video. So I'm going to use a href and I'm going to specify the link here. So I have a link of a video which I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm going to use the closing tag. So in between the opening and the closing tag, I'm going to use the link text. So here I'll write video 1. So this is the link text and it is displayed on our screen. So as soon as I click on this, it opens the video in a new tab. So now we can also specify where we want the video to open. So to use that, we're going to use the target attribute. So the three types here. One is the self attribute, the blank attribute, and the top attribute. So the self attribute opens the document in the same window or the tab as it was clicked. The blank attribute opens it in a new window, and the top attribute opens it in the full body of the window. So now let's try this out. So I'm going to, in the same link, I'm going to write target equals to blank. So once I refresh and save and click on this, as you can see, the video has opened in a new tab. We can use HTML links to link an email address. We can also use a button as a link or an image as a link. So let's try this out. So in our website here, under the name of the second book, I'm going to see how we can use a button as a link. So I'm going to write button on click, and here I'm going to use window.open. So window.open tells the website that it has to open the link specified in a new tab or a new window. So window.open, and in brackets, I'm going to specify the link. So here I have a link of another video. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here. And here we can add the closing tag. And again, in between the opening and the closing tag is the place where we have to add the link text, or which is the text that is displayed on the window. So I'm going to add video 2. So as soon as I click on this, it opens another video in the new tab. Now let's see how we can use an image as a link. So to use an image as a link, we should use the image tag inside the href tag. So first I'm going to use the href tag. And this is the closing tag. So in the href tag, I'm going to specify the destination website, which is the link of this video. So I'm just going to paste it here. And in between this, we will use the image tag. So image src, which is the image's location. I have the link here again. And alt text, which is shown if there's any problem with the image, the alt text is shown other than the image. So I'm going to write alt text as video 3 and close it. So as you can see, the image is displayed very big, so I'm going to use the width attribute and make it about 125 pixels. Yeah. Okay, so now as you can see, as soon as I click on the image, the video is displayed. Now we'll see how to link it to an email address. So to link to an email address, I'm going to use a href tag, and here in the href tag, I'm going to use mail to. So it tells us that it has to mail to an email address, and here I'll just use example@gmail.com. So as you can see, I'm going to add the closing tag, and here I'll write send email. So as soon as I click on this button, the mail opens and I can just automatically send a mail. So in this video, we've learned about HTML links, target attribute. We've learned how to link to an email address and to use a button or an image as a link. So guys, that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.